Hi, I'm Gary Elm with Vision Engineering, and today we're talking about the Lynx EVO system with the optional oblique or 360-degree viewer. The Lynx EVO is our ergonomic stereo zoom microscope, and in this instance it's set up for an inspection task generally reserved for printed circuit boards and surface mount devices. With this system we're able to inspect in direct view, so we're looking straight down at a subject at 90 degrees. When we come to a specific feature that we prefer to inspect obliquely or at an angle, most people would pick up a circuit board and tilt it. Here we have the ability to bring a set of mirrors into play that switches our view from 90 degrees to the surface to 34 degrees from the surface. So we are now looking obliquely at the subject, which lets us look between and under leads on a component for solder bridging or coplanarity problems, bad joints, etc. This system retains focus between the direct and oblique view and speeds the inspection of surface mount devices. Although the oblique viewer is used primarily for the inspection of electronic surface mount components, there are other applications. Here we're looking at a mechanical fastener and we want to see the threads. In direct view, they don't show up. We can easily bring the oblique viewer into place, and now we can walk 360 degrees around that component to look down into the barrel and see the threads and make sure there's no chips, gouges, or obstructions. The Vision Engineering Lynx EVO system, when combined with our optional oblique viewing attachment, will provide your operators with the most efficient and ergonomic means to inspect surface mount products for all common manufacturing defects.